Hi, my name is Pablo Cesar Aranda. I present my ID. These are my 5 questions and their answer. Talking about my tourist destination. Question 1. What was the cheapest place you visited in your city? The cheapest place I was in the city was Caldas Park in Popayan. 2. Have you ever met a new friend on a trip? How did it happen? Yes, a person from Cali. When we meet at a stop to eat and we meet again at the hotel. 3. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? The most visited places in Popayan are the Natural History Museum and the Humilladero Bridge. What are the worst things that have happened to you on a trip? Mention two. The first time I lost my identification papers, and the second time I suffered an earache during the trip. 5. What is the most unknown food you have tried on a trip? There are two, pipián empanadas and peanut chili. Thanks for attention.